So, like in Eric's drawing, I'm going to shrink this down. My screen is really wide. I'll get it over so you can see both sides at once. Let's see where I'm at here on my other screen. It should be good enough at least. It's hard to control if I can't see both sides of my own screen. So I'll bring this over too. So what I did next was I came in here, I drew just a rectangle over this thing. And I can't say as I'm truly snapping, but I think I've got it. And so I can check, see, yeah, it says 6 inches. Okay, all good. So I convert it to a polyline solid, my contextual's up top. Change to a 3D solid, hit OK. And then I just changed this depth to 12. So it'd stick way out. And then I'd have this other image in between. Looking at my plan view then, just came in, grabbed my section view, drug it back so I could see what I'm doing. And then grab, not the short one, but my long one, and brought it up in. And then, oh, it's pushing that one. Now, I didn't notice that. If that happened before, I didn't notice it. So, what I need this to be is, zoom in. Sure, it's telling me 12 there. But I'm interested in this dimension. But even if it's not right, I guess did it subtract it is the thing. So I'm going to take and say, while watching this side, just hit select here, hit my subtract, select this guy. No, I don't need the original. And that's not, you can't, it's not really there. It's just an outline of it. And so I did, those steps that were shown in Eric's video. And, whoa, I don't know what I'm getting. Come in slowly. Sometimes with this 3D mouse, as I penetrate, see, it's in there. It's in there. But boy, it doesn't just come out. It's cut out, but there's still a face on it. And can that face, what happens if I hit delete? I have a feeling I'm going to lose my beam. Oh, look at that. I hit delete and there was just a thin face there. So maybe I resolved my own issue. I'm still going to publish this because maybe somebody knows what the heck's going on as to where that came from. But I got the result I'm after. So wonderful. Boy, it's hard to navigate. There we go. Okay, so now you can see kind of what I was going for. Now I just got to create one on the other side, and that's why it's opposed, because it comes out of this side on the opposite side around the corner. So anyway, I want to make this video short so it'll upload fast.